The majority of motorcycle accidents in the United States of America end up in fatal injuries. Driving a motorcycle bestows upon you a sense of freedom and youthfulness, but it exposes you to serious dangers. Motorcycles do come with added safety features, such as power brakes, extensively grippy tires, obstruction-free vision, and excellent handling, but you cannot account for the other drivers on the roads. If you are injured in a motorcycle accident due to another driver being at fault, it is a case of personal injury or tort law. Personal injury law governs all cases where a person incurs severe injuries or, in worst cases, die due to negligence, recklessness, or intentional conduct of another party. It makes sense to retain a South Florida motorcycle injury attorney, ASAP. The worth of motorcycle accident claims under personal injury law. Most often, victims of motorcycle accidents think that their case is not worthy of a personal injury law claim. The reason behind it may be the injuries are minor, the fear of losing reputation, or the reluctance to go to court. Regardless of what the reason is, it is important to know that if you've incurred injuries due to someone else's fault, be it minor or major, you must file a personal injury claim. If you want to know the worth of your motorcycle accident claim, you must get in touch with a professional motorcycle accident attorney. A professional and experienced injury lawyer can help you understand if you have a motorcycle accident case. Even though the worth of every claim is different, but some common factors impact the value of your claim. Medical expenses. When you incur injuries due to a motorcycle accident, it is evident that you need medical care. Medical assistance and treatment results in expenses, and the amount of these expenses determine the worth of a motorcycle accident claim. The more serious and long-lasting the injuries, the more valuable the claim. Property damage. Apart from the injuries, the accident also damages your property. Property damage contributes to evaluating the worth of property damage. The amount that it cost you to repair or replace the damaged parts of your property add up into your personal injury claim. This doesn't only include your motorcycle. You may be carrying a pack with a laptop, jewelry, or any number of other valuable items. If these are destroyed or damaged, you are entitled to additional compensation for the cost of repair or replacement. Wages lost after accidents. Many victims miss some days at work due to temporary or even permanent disability. Being absent from work means losing wages. The number of wages lost is another factor that adds up and determines the worth of your claim. Even if you had sick days, PTO, or vacation days, you are still able to receive compensation. Who wants to use vacation days rehabilitating after a serious injury? Pain and suffering. Pain and suffering also contribute to determining the worth of your claim. It's not something you can calculate. It's often the jury that agrees upon a value based on their experience and common sense. The value of pain and suffering varies a great deal based on the severity of the accident. Losing a job, losing earning capacity, requiring additional help to do one's activities of daily living after surgery are all examples that would increase the value of pain and suffering. Staying safe from motorcycle accidents. It is a wise choice to know your options before being in the situation, but you should take the necessary precautions to prevent any accidents. Sometimes the accidents are inevitable, and you cannot do anything to stop them. Most of the accidents can be prevented if necessary safety precautions were taken before one hit the road. Want to stay safe from accidents and save yourself from the personal injury law claim processes? Just follow these effective motorcycle safety tips. Thank you, State Farm. State Farm's motorcycle safety tip sheet is a good one. Wear a helmet. Most head injuries in motorcycle accidents are due to victims not wearing a helmet. Even if you find yourself in an accident, you can minimize the injuries as well as the medical expenses if you are wearing a helmet. According to a study by Highway Traffic Safety Administration, out of every 100 motorcycle accident deaths, 37 would have survived if they were wearing a helmet. Get a safety vest. These airbag vests are amazing, and we wish all motorcycle riders would wear one. Never drink and drive. Driving after extensive alcohol consumption is one of the most common causes of motorcycle accidents in the United States of America. It is not only illegal, but it's very dangerous. Make sure you are perfectly sober when you hop on your ride. Maintain your bike. It is essential to maintain your bike and carry out any repairing work it needs. Make sure that your motorcycle is in perfect condition. Check the engine, brakes, tires, headlamps, and gears regularly to ensure that your bike is in running condition. Be aware of the common causes of motorcycle accidents. Always remember that knowledge is your friend. Knowing the common causes of motorcycle accidents helps you stay extra cautious and avoid any moves that might expose you to the risks of accidents. By adopting these safety tips, you make bike riding perfectly safe by minimizing the risks of accidents. However, sometimes there is no stopping the accident, and it's just fate. When you find yourself in such a situation, you should get in touch with a professional motorcycle accident attorney. Please visit newfeldlawfirm.com.